Please welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to save Instagram photos to your gallery. So this process is very simple. You go to the application of Instagram. In their feed you go to the messages, and in the messages you need to go to the person who sent it to you the photo. You pick this photo and you pick here. You pick in this in the superior right corner in the button of download, and you have the photo in your gallery. Here you got you got the photo, and you can go to the carpet of Instagram, and you got the photo in your phone. So this is the process. This is a very simple process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.